Welcome to another Luxepaths video, where cities come to life. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see our new videos. Now enjoy the video. This is Hong Kong's Victoria Harbour. It sits between two sides of the same city, the same water, the same skyline. But where you stand changes what you see, and what you see changes the story. Victoria Harbour is often seen as Hong Kong's most famous view, but where you stand changes the story it tells. From this side, the Kowloon side, the city looks outward. We don't dominate the skyline here, we observe it. Kowloon has always been the city's witness. Historically, this side of the harbor was where workers lived, goods arrived, and communities formed. Before tunnels and bridges, the harbor wasn't just scenery, it was separation. To look across the water from Kowloon was to look at opportunity and distance. Even today, this view feels communal. Tourists, locals, families, everyone gathers here, not to conquer the skyline, but to understand it. Kowloon's relationship with Victoria Harbour predates modern Hong Kong. Long before skyscrapers, this coastline was used by fishermen, traders, and migrants. When Britain took Hong Kong Island in 1841, Kowloon remained Chinese territory for decades. This mattered. It meant Kowloon became a place of transition, culturally, politically, socially, a place where people arrived before crossing the water or never crossed at all. The harbor wasn't neutral. It defined who belonged where. For much of its history, Victoria Harbour was not a view. It was infrastructure. Cargo ships lined the water, ferries carried workers daily, shipyards, docks, and warehouses defined the shoreline. Kowloon, the harbor was something you used, not admired. This working-class relationship shaped the identity of the peninsula. Practical, dense, resilient. Even now, the water between here and Hong Kong Island feels active, never decorative. The Kowloon Promenade is one of the few truly shared spaces in Hong Kong. Here, the harbor becomes a mirror. People come to remember, to pause, to mark time. Fireworks, concerts, celebrations. This shoreline has watched history unfold quietly, collectively. From Kowloon, the skyline feels symbolic. Not personal power, but shared identity. You're watching Luxepaths, where cities come to life. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. Turn around from the harbor, and Kowloon tells a different story. Aging buildings, dense neighborhoods, lives stacked vertically. This contrast matters. From here, the skyline across the water doesn't feel distant. It feels connected, yet unequal. Kowloon looks at the city and remembers what it cost to build it. From the Kowloon side, Victoria Harbour is not about dominance, it's about perspective. It's the city looking back at itself, remembering where it came from. If you are lucky to live in the city, appreciate this value in your reach. And if you are from outside Hong Kong, consider walking this memorable harbor in your lifetime. Next, we go across the water to talk about the city in full glamour. Thank you for watching Luxepaths. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more exciting journeys.